my name is Adrienne. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are here from the playlist, hi and welcome. I make food related content here on YouTube. I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to become part of my YouTube family. I am so excited to be participating in an open collab hosted by Sarah at Sarah's Realm. She is doing another copycat recipe where she pairs up ladies here on YouTube and we swap recipes, make them in our home, and share them with you. I am so lucky to be paired with Tamara at Southern Wife Everyday Life. She has been such an inspiration and a huge help, and I am really excited to show you 3 delicious recipes that she gave to me. I will have their channels and the playlist linked in my description box below, so after you're done watching my video, go check out Sarah and Tamara and the rest of the ladies and get some inspiration to cook for your family. My first recipe from Tamara are her bacon, brown sugar, and chili powder chicken tenders. This was so good, and it was really interesting because I had never put the flavor combination of brown sugar and chili powder together, and I can't tell you how good this was. It was savory, it was sweet, it was a little smoky and warm. This was one of the best meals I've made in months. You have to try it, you won't be disappointed, and let me show you how I put it together. I really wanted to make sure I packed on as much brown sugar and chili powder as possible, so I'm really pressing it into the bacon and the chicken, and then I put it on a wire racked cookie sheet and I baked it in my oven at 350 degrees for about 35 minutes until the chicken was 165, and I served it over a bed of lettuce. And like I said before, this was epic. You can see my little kids' 2 sad spice-free chicken tenders because I know my picky kids would not have this, but look at this picture. It doesn't do it justice. This was so good. My next recipe from Tamara is her honey bun cake. You will need 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and a boxed cake mix that you'll make according to package direction. And you're going to bake it in a 350 degree oven, and your house is going to smell absolutely warm, inviting, and cozy. And bonus, my picky kids liked this. I was so happy. There was enough not only for my family, but I shared it with my parents. And this is perfect for morning, like a coffee cake with a cup of tea or a cup of coffee, and this was a hit. I don't know about anyone else, but I love swirling cake mixes together. There's something so satisfying about it, and it's just so pretty. I just love doing that. My last recipe from Tamara is her French onion bake. This is savory, delicious, and budget friendly. You will need a gravy mix, ground beef, onion, and some crescent rolls. This is a meal for just me because I know my daughter won't like this, and my husband, son, and my stepdaughter are on the way up north to drop her off at university, so this is a meal for one. I'm going to season up my ground beef, and you can see right here, I put so much garlic in this by accident. I was like, whoa. But it was a happy accident. It was still really delicious. I'm going to brown this meat until it's no longer pink and then drain it, add my gravy mix and 1 cup of water, and then I'm going to take my can of crescents, layer half of it on the bottom of my baking dish, and then add my meat and my onion. And Tamara uses cheese. I don't eat cheese, so I omitted that, but you can definitely use cheese that your family prefers. And then I will put the crescent rolls, the rest of them, on top, bake it in my oven at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes, and this was a great meal. I really enjoyed it. I will definitely be making it again, and I just wanted to say thank you to Sarah for hosting this collab, and thank you for Tamara for these amazing recipes. I will definitely integrate them into my family, and I'm just really grateful for this YouTube community. And after you're done watching my video, don't forget to check out the playlist, hit that subscribe button, and I hope everybody is staying happy, healthy, and safe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching.